Good morning, everybody. My name is Jody. My husband David John and I have a small farm in the panhandle of North Idaho, and these are our stories and adventures. So welcome to Moose Flats Farm. And today we're going to be working on the hoop houses for the birds. Okay, so we've gone through and got one wall up. I'll take the camera over there and show you what we got going on, and then show you the process on the next wall. So we've gone through and have our wall built. We have these green stakes. They're screwed and plumber tape wrapped at the bottom. Gone all along this one here. It's not perfectly level, but the birds aren't really going to care. Got most of the buckbrush and wild rose and shrubs cleared out from back here, so we'll be able to get out there and work. Just we'll have a little grading work to do after it's all put together. Hi, honey.
Hey, guys.
Okay, explain what you're doing.
Oh, we're taking a 10-foot 2x4. That's going to be our space between, and that's going to just start our line as we put the second one in. We'll measure. I measured off the fence so that we're all somewhat square-ish.
So just attaching that board attached to that wall and then attached to this wall just helps hold that panel nice and level till we get the T-post attached. There, I'm good.
awesome. Bit more.
Okay, get it.
He's all I'm missing that key element.
What?
The drill.
Got it. Okay then. Apparently there's something there. Okay. On a rock. Well, let's try it over here. A little to the right. Still a rock. No, I don't think so. I got it. It ain't going anywhere, I don't think. In theory.
I'll check that.
Smash that down. I think, Diesel.
So we're just going to repeat the same process on the back side to get that in.
screwed in.
No. So right there, we just screwed those two pieces together and just have been moving the compost and everything, because this whole center strip, after we get done doing the work and everything, is just going to be full of compost for potatoes next, or not potatoes, pumpkins next year. So I did clean out the duck pond this morning. I made a glorious muddy mess for them. But they're having fun playing in the fresh water. So we've got these pallet panels that we're going to use on the front and the back. And tried to get them dug out so they're relatively level with square with everything. So that'll be part of the structural of the hoop house. And we will, at the point after the cattle panels are on, we'll have to trim these corners, get them rounded. But that's kind of the back of it.
Bottom first. I have to knock that,
Chip that
down a little bit.
There we go.
There-ish.
Oh,
I'll cut them off later.
yeah. Oh, you split it.
I did. That's why I was like, shit. Okay. That'll hold it for now. Okay.
And adding these really did tighten it up, so looks good. Okay guys, we're almost to the exciting part of adding the cattle panels to the shed. This time we're going to be mounting them so they're mounted on top of the wood wall. So we got smart this time around. We've gone through, and I know green screws on green wood, but have added screws going to be on each side, so as we stick the cattle panel down, it will hook on that and not flip off. And have the back wall done. We used some old scrap wood from the arrow shed to fill in the pickets on that fence. And David John's right there just marking where the screws go for the hoops. And I figure the shade that is coming back this way will be here about the time we finish getting the cattle panels up. one this is for you.
And this one?
Yeah.
We'll get it right there. Hold it so it doesn't pop out of your side. And just like that.
So much easier, guys, than last time.
Okay, so now we got to cut the strips. And we'll do 3 or 4. Just do 3?
3 should be good.
Okay.
Or do you just want to get all the panels in and then...
No, they'll pop out of there if we do that.
Oh, okay. Let me get this.
You can hit pause on the camera and we'll cut some of these.
So when you're putting your cattle panels up, you want to make sure get where you can see there. You want to make sure that your horizontal pieces are to the inside and your bowed parts are to the outside. It will keep your either tarp or your greenhouse plastic from being worn through by rubbing on the metal as much. And David John just pointed out, and it's stronger doing it that way. We even have a turkey investigating his winter house. Little baby Kai. Not so little anymore. But as you saw, we got all the panels on. We did wind up about 1.5 inches short here, but that's okay. So now we're going to go through and zip tie all the panels together. No. And basically be ready that we can either start the other one or complete this one before we start it. So we'll see how it goes. Well guys, hopefully it's not too noisy in here. Just realized as I was editing the video, we forgot to do a sign off at the end. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day and a good week. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, bye for now.